Hey everyone! Today we are going to go on a little camping adventure with our Crua Core. So we are just setting up camp right now. We just got done putting up the tent. Everything went incredibly smoothly. Right now we're just going to finish setting up camp, open up some of those screens, let the tent breathe a little, you might say, and enjoy some of those springtime sounds. Yeah, we're gonna be camping. It's been an incredibly busy day today. So we went out kayaking. We have the kayak here drying out so we can put it away. We're gonna get dinner going soon. I'm so glad that this tent is so easy to put together because we had it up in like literally minutes. I don't know if I would have had it in me to take a long time to do this. We still have to put the mattress in and get that stuff set up, but we're pretty much good to go. And we have our coffee table. We have our most important coffee table. Grilling up a little dinner. We have some chicken sausages with bacon and pineapple.
Like that business crunchy once in a while.
They're gonna be good.
Yeah. They're not all super crispy. Those ones are pretty normal. Crispy. Just been hanging out, listening to the birds, watching the sunset. Nice little camp setup. Don't even need that radio.
We just finished dinner. You saw that. And we have quite a bit more stuff set up for camp, which is good because the sun has set. It's gorgeous. It's a very, very beautiful night. The birds are still chirping. They're still chirping. So let me show you what we have going on for this evening now that the sun has set. We have our handy dandy generator and we have a couple things plugged in. So the Crua Core is awesome because they have this sweet like electrical cord pocket, which you can stick your cords out and not leave your tent wide open. Also, it's this little corner area that you can tuck away so you're not going to trip on those cords. We decided to do something fun tonight. We're going to watch a movie. It's gotten dark so quickly, but we do have our bed set up. So we have our little Japanese futon mattress in here. And we still have the windows open, letting some breeze flow through this tent. Look at those skylights. Looking pretty awesome. I can't wait. Maybe we'll see some stars. But the thing you've been waiting for. We have our movie set up. So like I said, it's gotten a little dark. But we brought our coffee table in, so we have our cuddy cooler inside. We have our little TV and an Xbox and a movie all set to go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, it's movie time. Kayak's still out there drying. We're gonna let that be overnight while we enjoy a movie. The movie has begun. It's movie night in the tent. Scary movie night. And look at this view. Movie night has some really good views. Our movie's complete with some homemade chocolate chip cookies as well. We have our lantern hanging up. We have closed our door and our window. We've paused our movie for the time being. It's gotten a little boring, to be honest. But we've broken out some games and some activities. Some camping stuff, right? Yeah. So we're gonna do some games. wind down and get ready.
And some coloring.
For bed. It is incredibly dark out. We've finished our movie, and now it's time for bed. Good morning. It's a gorgeous morning. We all just woke up a little bit ago. We're gonna go for a nice little walk in just a moment. As you can see, we have plenty of room in here for everybody. You guys seem pretty relaxed. It's been a nice relaxing evening. You guys seem pretty relaxed. It's been a nice slow start to the morning, but now we're ready to get going. Right, girls? Tis lunchtime, and I have kiddos eating lunch. You might wonder why we're hanging out in the tent, or maybe not. Yeah, it started sprinkling, and now it's raining a little bit harder. We can still see out though. You can see those airplanes. An amazing thing about this Crua Core tent are these air vents. So we have 4 of these air vents. You can hear it raining pretty hard. Even with it raining, the tent stays nice and dry, and we have a nice airflow as well, which is super important. This is where I've been sitting for a while, having some coffee, listening to the rain. It's really nice to have this little porch area. I haven't gotten wet at all. See that rain up there? It's not on me. It's been raining for a while. As you can see, our kayak certainly did not dry. Well, maybe it did, but it's wet again. And we have packed up a lot of our belongings, as it's supposed to rain the majority of the day. We're going to be tearing down camp here in a little bit, but we have some adventuring we're going to go do. Thank you so much for joining us on our adventures, our camping adventures. While we've gotten rained out, it's okay. We've had a fantastic time. Thank you all so much for joining us. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. We'd super duper appreciate that. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.